So hi everybody, I'm Justin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decorn Design. You got to see this, So this is one of my companions. I'm not playing golf. I'm just on a forced rest because of whatever health concerns and reasons and stuff. So this one is a cutie. We became friends like last year, and this one is like unpredictable to everybody. But look at him with me. So when you go out and you kind of want to get, all scared, or you have these misconceptions about dogs, it just takes a little of time to spend with them. So what I did is I started feeding him with biscuits. I would give him little, like pieces of food and stuff. And when he would be walking at the golf course along with me, he would growl. So many times I would feel that he'd snap, I'd get scared of him and stuff and not touch him. And then, as I started spending time with him, like I said, feeding him and started patting him and stuff like that, he's become, look here, you can see now, So it's true that, animals can feel your presence and stuff, and all they want is this, just keep patting them and playing with them. So the tip is to kind of have some patience and drop the preconceived opinions and views of all these dogs and animals being violent and angry and stuff like that. He must be about 4 years old, and it looks like because he spends a lot of time with people around here and stuff, he's become friendly, he's become a little docile. But yes, of course, 5 minutes back he was growling at somebody else as well. So the point of sharing this is that, like when you're spending time in nature and stuff, when you're spending time outside, try and give some time to these creatures. It's a great relaxation for you as well. And you make a new friend, and then you say that you can't care for animals, you don't have emotions for people and animals. So this is the best way to kind of spread some fun, feel joyful, feel amazing, feel relaxed. So see, and of course there are two more sitting here. There's one here, I've just called him Scotty, and uska partner, there's another partner there. So the point is, sorry. Oh, so I guess I have to go. They have some work happening here. I'm not allowed to sit here. So that's that. So I'll leave you on this note. Kindness, happiness, joy, animals and people can feel it. So there's another one coming there, So before you raise your hands and before you kind of get mean and you start, wanting to beat up and throw stones and stuff, put yourself in that spot. Would you like to have the same treatment? Would you like to get a kick? Would you like to get a stone? Would you like to have something thrown at you and stuff? And if you can answer those three questions, you know how easy it is to be friendly. Hey, he's become a social creature now, So Balu and Raju. Hey Balu, Raju. So here's another friend here. Hey Raju. So this one is with the security guys. We just met twice. Let's hey, no, Balu. Take it easy, Balu. No. Also, so that's a sign of being possessive. That's a sign of not wanting to let anybody else touch the person that they kind of like and everything. So that's not aggression. That's not a dog who's going to bite you and stuff. That's just showing his affection that you got to stay away from the person I'm with and stuff. Here you are. So, okay. Now he's going to be asking for food there. So, Balu, stay there. Hey, Balu. Andar ek aur hai. So that's him wagging his tail, asking for khana. So, ye dekhiye aap. This is like requesting for attention and khana. In Hindi, khana mang raha hai aur attention chahiye. And of course, yeah, there's another one. Hey, Balu. Now he's showing his teeth, he's grinning. So this is when he becomes a little unpredictable. He'll show you his teeth and then you have to stay away from him, because now when the khana comes, he does not want to be disturbed and stuff. So love and luck and take care. Have fun and have a blush and make the best of it. If you have anything getting you down and stuff, take a walk and soak up beautiful nature wherever you are. The feel good starts from where you are and not always online. So love and luck and take care. Have fun and have a blast. Bye bye. Cheers. Yeah.